guys, welcome to the kitchen today with me. My name is Chiamaka Nwabuko. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do make sure to subscribe, like, comment, click on the notification bell for more videos. So in today's video, I'll be making vegetable soup with just one vegetable. I went to the store, I couldn't get the vegetables that I wanted, but I decided to improvise with using spinach. So let's dive right in with the ingredients and the cooking. Here's our ingredients. In here is iru, that's locust beans, and crayfish, and these are seasoning cube, and this palm oil. In here is ginger, bell pepper, and the hot pepper. And here is a meat and stock fish, and over here is a spinach vegetable. So let's dive right in. So here's our meat and the stock, then the oil. So we'll let the oil and the meat to boil together before we put the rest of the ingredients. Oh, sorry, I've added the crayfish and the locust beans, which is iru. Next thing will be our bell pepper, ginger, and hot pepper. That's the knor seasoning cube. I'm not using salt because the seasoning cube has already covered for that. So we'll leave it to boil for some minutes, for like 10 minutes, and then we'll wait for the next step. Now in goes our vegetable. So wait for the vegetable to boil a little. So over here, the soup is ready.